Both men and women, including children, can experience hair loss. According to the latest statistics, almost 1/3 of the world's population suffer from this problem. This means that thousands of men and women around the world suffer from this terrible aesthetic problem. But not to worry, because we have the best natural solution for you. We are going to show you how to make the most powerful homemade hair mask against hair loss. This hair mask will stop the hair loss process in just a matter of days. Main ingredient in this hair mask are guava leaves. According to the experts, guava leaves are one of the most effective natural remedies against hair loss, and have been reported to increase platelets in patients suffering from dengue fever. Many experts around the world claim that if you use guava leaves regularly, you can stop and prevent the hair loss process. You should know that guava leaves are loaded with vitamin B, the most important vitamin for hair fertility and also for health protection. How to use guava leaves to stop the hair loss process and improve the hair growth. Here's what you need to do. Just take a handful of guava leaves and boil them in a liter of water for 20 minutes. Then, you need to leave the mixture to cool down at room temperature. You can use this guava leaves mixture like a tonic, applying it on your scalp and hair roots after you wash your hair. Or, you can also use this mixture to massage your scalp. Make sure you leave this mixture on your scalp after the massage, for a few hours and then rinse your hair. Before you go to bed and sleep with the mixture on your hair during the night. Wear a shower cap and rinse it in the morning with mild shampoo and warm water. You will be amazed by the results. This amazing homemade remedy will help you strengthen your hair roots and follicles, and your hair will start growing like crazy.